Welcome back, everybody. I got a new installment of Why'd You Buy That? So I've purchased all these on eBay, and I got them for some for really good deals, some for way over MSRP, but for some of them, they're must-haves or upgrades or tangent cars, like this SP boxcar. So these are getting pretty rare. This is from the second run. It's the 7th, which is car number 616518. Some cars are like this Southern Pacific Airslide. It's from their earlier run, but I only had one of those, so I wanted to get the other number. I also had gotten a couple of these Sioux Line cars, which are really nice. I think these used to be red caboose. I could see that the last owner did something with Solvaset or adding decals to the doors, because you could see the shine on it. See that? So I'm gonna have to replace that, as well as fix this roof lock up here. But those are minor fixes. Overall, these cars are really nice. I also got a exact rail car with a loose weight. So that's a normal fix. That happens to me all the time. And an old MDC car that I have to super detail. That'll be a cool project. I got a couple of Walther's coal cars. They're not like exact rail coal cars, but they're good stand-ins. And check this car out. Nice Fantasy Road Colorado Rail Link. It'd be good in a unit coal train. I like it. Good use of decals and application. I also got a Northwest Hardwoods double door boxcar. They never had cars like this, but they're actually Evans double plug door boxcars. But it was cool to have a variant. And these I got for a really good price, except for the shipping was from England. So I had to pay more for shipping than I did for the actual trailers, which is all right with me. I'm just glad that guy sold overseas. And another car that I got was the Pacific MMRA convention. I believe in 1994, Pacific Coast region. And I don't know if it's in Sacramento, but this car is really neat. That would be going in my reefer drag or the Salad Bowl Express over Donner. I also got, which is really cool, an undecorated Atlas bulkhead flat car. These are old school, but a necessity for SP modelers. I almost forgot. I almost didn't include these. I got another pack of the blue DNRGW for a really good price. So it almost makes up for that tangent car. Okay, so back to the tangent car. These are so nice. This is my first Greenville 86-foot high cube. Somebody told me in comments that they wanted to see me take out some of the boxes, but it's such a hassle when you're holding the phone. Look at that underbody detail. That is incredible. All the lettering is really clean and crisp. The paint is so smooth. Dave did a really good job at Tangent. Look, even writing on the coupler pocket. Look at how thin the grabs are. This is the thinnest I've seen any grabs. Plus 2 paint colors on the grabs, which is pretty nice. But I'm talking about the crossover platform grabs. Those are super realistic. And the airline and air hose is super realistic. So I'll be definitely getting the Illinois Central, UP, Santa Fe, and that Conrail patch. Those are my next purchases. But I just wanted to show you guys something else. Look at that. The door tracks are see-through. That by itself, and the paint overspray is pretty nice, but that door track by itself makes this car worth the $75 I paid for it. Ouch! I know, 75 bucks. That was a lot of money, but they only made 8 of these numbers so far for SP. And every time I tried to purchase them straight from the website, they're always sold out. Oh, rotating bearing caps. Nice. Well, thank you for watching. This is another Why'd You Buy That? My wife's probably mumbling that to herself right now. Like I need any more trains. However, they keep coming out with new trains that I don't have, so if they stop producing them, I'll probably stop buying them. Until next time, have a good day.